Hi folks, it's Switchback. I am cleaning my Thermarest Neo Air X-Lite sleeping pad today, so I thought I would make a little demonstration video with you. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions, but this is basically following the ones for this sleeping pad. Another way to clean the sleeping pad is using an all-purpose cleaner. So it's just 409. I prefer to use something a little bit more green. And then you can use a sponge, you can use a cloth, whatever you want to use. No matter how you clean it, make sure that you dry it completely before you put it away. Anytime that you're gonna be leaving your sleeping pad in your tent or in your car, make sure that you open the valve, both this part of the valve and the wing lock, whatever it takes to keep your pad from overinflating. Because if it's in somewhere that is warm, the air inside will expand and potentially create a hole or pop your sleeping pad. I hope that helps you to get yours cleaned up. If you got some value out of this, be sure to drop a like down below and hit that subscribe button. I will look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Ramsey, do you want to say hi to everybody? No? Not feeling social? Why?